Hi, my name's Vance, owner and operator of Metalhead Customs Inc, Fresno, California. I'm a custom fabricator and I primarily work on custom automobiles. Makes me feel really good and special, and it's kind of hard to gauge, to be honest, because when I came out here 20 years ago, it was terrifying, and now I'm back standing in the beautiful sunshine with the wind blowing and savoring the moment. I went to WyoTech in 2002, and it was all or nothing. That's the kind of person I am. I don't do anything unless it's 100%. So when I went to WyoTech, I applied myself to the fullest. I had perfect attendance for 18 months, which means not one tardy or absence. I was class leader every phase. I believe in leading an example, and I really just put my heart and soul into it. And I still do that to this day, but I do it on the level of applying the foundation that I learned at WyoTech to build the future that I have now. My core class was collision and refinishing, and I like that primarily because it was crunched up sheet metal and painting. And then my elective classes were chassis fabrication, high performance motors, street rod, custom fabrication, trim and upholstery, and then later when I was hired on to WyoTech, I took ASM. I specialize in one-off custom fabrication, automobiles to ornamental, but primarily automotive custom fab. That's what I went to school to learn, so that's the bread and butter. We do full builds from the ground up. We can build custom chassis all the way to custom sheet metal bodies. But right now it's primarily doing chassis swaps on Tri-5 Chevys and custom exhausts. But the plan or the goal in effect is to build from the ground up hot rods and customs. My journey, that's a rough one. So after leaving Laramie, Wyoming, I returned to California and worked multiple jobs through a temp agency, from tractors to food grade machinery to more food grade machinery, basically anything under the sun, because where I live is a lot of agriculture stuff. So I had to be really versatile to stay alive and take on really any job that would come my way, but that was only in the beginning. Now I get to pick and choose the jobs that I want to work on. You have to accept the fact that you have to do a lot of work that you don't want to do to get to the point that you want to be at. It's a hard road. You have to be willing to roll with the punches and just accept each failure as a minor setback. Just keep failing until you succeed. Every failure is a stepping stone, so just stick to your guns and never give up.